watching. Thank you. Yeah. A topic. Yeah. Doing my topic now. Hope you love it what I'm doing. Yeah. Get good views. It's not bad. Yeah. Weather, yeah, so cannot change. It's winter time. Still winter time. Yeah. 1 month. They're gonna be changing again. Come a little bit, warmer. Well, my girlfriend is 8 degrees, so she get cold also in Hong Kong. It's very cold in Hong Kong. 8 degrees. That's very cold, eh? Cannot complain. It's not raining. Voilà. Most important. This morning raining a lot, eh? My God. It's raining a lot this morning and cold, eh? Oh la la. It was windy also this morning. Yeah. Going to the bakery this morning. My God, it was cold. Oh la la. Walking. Yeah. Oh la la la. When I come back from the bakery, it was raining, eh? I said, my God, what I have done. It's not so far from my place, yeah. Walking 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Yeah. Can happen. Hope you get a good view, eh? It's so beautiful here in the nature. Yeah. Not a lot of people through there, it's okay. Driving, I have no stress. It's so good, eh? If I have a little bit stress, I go driving. My stress is gone, eh? Yeah. Summertime I go with my bicycle, doing a tour, or I'll go walking. Yeah, I know it's a little bit too cold for walking. The one is doing my drive, yeah. All new here, it's all new. Yeah, new road also. Yeah, it's a new road. That's a beautiful place. I love it here also. The apartment there is so beautiful there. Cat. To stop. Right. Yeah, they're so beautiful, the new apartments. Oh my God. I like the design. There also, the old one is also there, the new one, modern one. Is, yeah, very good. Very good. You need to wait. It's red. Red lights. Cannot drive, eh? So beautiful. It's so quiet here also. It's so quiet. It's big different than the big city. The big city, wow. It's not more for me, the big city. Oh no. No way. It's too quiet. It's too loud in the big city. It's too Here it's quiet. Yeah. Maybe it's when you come a little bit older, you want to have, yeah, maybe you want to have a little bit quiet. Yeah. It's a beautiful place. Yeah. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you. Don't forget the thumbs up. Don't forget the thumbs up. Thank you very much. Yeah. See, I'm driving economic. Wait, Economic, it's so good. Driving in economic pro. So good. So good. Yeah. So then you have sport also, sport. That's different, that's sport. Okay, yeah, that changes a lot. Then you have comfort. Comfort is also good. Comfort. I like more driving in economic. Yeah. He is too fast. And I only do control a little bit farther. That's not so good. Yeah. Now I'm going back home and home. I'm going back home. I got a little bit hungry. Yeah. I'm eating a little bit. Yeah, I got hungry. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you.